Which device retransmits any inbound messages out of all of its ports? Well, let's go over a few of the possible answers. So let's start with a switch. I love switches. Switches are great. They only retransmit data out of the port that the intended receiver is connected to. So this means that, remember previously we've talked about how something is transferred from basically a computer to a server. You have the destination MAC address, you have the source MAC address, you have the data, and then you have the FCS, which is the frame check sequence. If you have the answer that we're looking for, it's basically going to send it to all the ports connected to this device. A switch, whatever is connected to it, is only going to, like I said, retransmit data out the port it's intended for. So that's not our answer. Routers only forward traffic to remote networks as required. So kind of similar as a switch, but it's doing this on more of a global level. Now let's talk about a smart repeater. Smart repeater apparently is an unofficial term for a switch. So smart repeater is a switch. Yeah, didn't know that till today, but it's just like a nickname. So smart repeater is switch. And you can remember that because switches are smart. Both start with S, and it kind of, if you have a switch and you have, like, let's say your router, you go from the router, switch, you plug stuff in, kind of repeats the signal or Ethernet that you're going to. So which device retransmit any inbound messages out of all the ports? This is going to be a hub. A hub repeats all inbound traffic out of all of its ports, no exception. And then it just basically checks to match the destination address with what's listed in the piece of data that you're forwarding to it. So that would be our answer. It's a hub.